The breaching of the 5% threshold is, in my opinion, a game changer. So, the unemployment crisis, openly wrong forecasts. Now, we can't let the bank or the OBR off here for yet another weak unemployment forecast. I would go further and call it a catastrophic failure of their official models. I called it very early on, but as late as November, the Monetary Policy Report was still forecasting unemployment to peak at 5%. We've already breached this, hitting 5% in October, right? But we didn't know that figure until December. And there's no clear sign that's the peak. And in fact, I very much doubt that it is the peak. So the breaching of the 5% threshold is, in my opinion, a game changer. It forces the bank to pivot from an inflation targeting mandate, which is of course what everybody thinks is the only thing the bank does, but that's not necessarily true. They pivot to a dual mandate, which is inflation and unemployment in practice, even if not in law. They cannot maintain restricted rates of 4% or near it, with unemployment rising nearly vertically. And this confirms the Proponomics thesis. The bank is behind the curve. They tightened too late, and they're cutting too late. The soft landing has failed, the runway is behind us, and the landing gear has been damaged. Pretty standard central banking, unfortunately,